Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase keyboard size in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. Just first of all, go to setting so that our keyboard appears. This is the size of a keyboard right now. For increasing the size, all you guys have to do just go to settings and here we have option of preference. Just go to preference. After that, as you guys see on layout section, we have option of keyboard height. Just click here and then if you want to increase it, all you guys have to do just select mid tall or tall. I am selecting tall. That's it. Now go back to see the keyboard. So as you see, the keyboard size is now increased. If you guys want to decrease the size, again go to preference, select keyboard height and then select short. Now let's see the result. So as you see, the size of the keyboard is now small. So this is how we can increase or decrease keyboard size in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.